Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well. In the previous session, we have learned about the sense of smelling in some animals. Means they use their smelling power to detect their food to search their. Today, in this video, we are going to learn another sense organ, that is the eyes of some animals. We will see how eyesight of some animals help them to search their food. So we are going to study sense of vision. Vision means कि कोई एनिमल्स कितनी दूर तक कितने अच्छे से देख सकता है किसी भी चीज़ को. ठीक है. If we talk about the eyes of human being, we know that they are located in front of our head. हमारे हेड के सामने located होती हैं, present होती हैं. And we move our eyes in all direction, means not in all direction, means up and down, right and left. Human beings can move its eyes in all direction, means अगर हम right side में चीज़ों को देखना चाहते हैं तो we can move our eyes to right side. If we want to see the things at our left, we will move our eyes to left side. अगर हम ऊपर या नीचे की चीज़ों को देखना चाहते हैं तो we can move our eyes up and down to see the things around us. Now we will talk about eyes in birds. We have seen in human beings, means we can move our eyes in all direction, means our eyes are movable. But in birds, their eyes are not movable. They cannot move their eyes in all direction. Their eyes are fixed. So how can they see the things around them? To see the things around them, they have to move their head. Means they have to move their head right and left, up and down. We have also seen that human eyes are located in front of our head. मतलब आगे की तरफ, दोनों eyes आगे की तरफ located होती हैं. But in birds, the eyes are located on both side of their head. एक eyes left side में और एक eyes right side में located होती है. तो these जो birds होती हैं, they are able to see the things at the same time on left side and on the right side at the same time. So eyes of birds are located on both sides of their head, and to find their food they move their head in all direction. If we talk about the hawks and eagles, they have good eyesight. They have very good eyesight actually. So these animals, these birds fly very high. So birds are the animals whose eyes are located on both sides of their head, and they move their head in all direction to search their food, to locate their food. And if we see hawks and eagles, they actually fly very high in the sky. So these animals, means we are talking about eagles and hawks, they fly very high, and during their flight, means they, when they are moving up very high in the sky, so if they are if any prey is moving on the ground, they can easily spot them because their high eyesight is very strong, very good eyesight they have. Now we will study eyes in insects, as we have also taken the smelling power of these insects like ants, bees and cockroaches. We will see sense of vision in insects. These insects have some special kind of eye that is called compound eye. These compound eyes are present in some insects like bees, flies and ants. Means eyes of human beings are made up of one unit, means one eyes are made up of a single unit. But in compound eyes of these insects, उनकी जो eyes होती हैं वो छोटी छोटी thousands of eyes से मिलकर बनी होती है. Means उनकी one compound eye is equal to thousand of small micro eyes. So these small micro eyes combine together to make one eye of these insects. So what is the purpose of these compound eyes? What is the advantage of this compound eye is these insects easily find out, means easily locate their prey, their food, which is moving very fast. So if their food is moving fast, they can easily locate them, they can easily catch them. So today in this video we have seen how birds use their eyesight to locate their prey, to find their prey, and how compound eye of insects help them to find their fast moving prey.